Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, headaches. If you're looking for natural ways to manage and alleviate headaches, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our weekly health tips. Headaches can be a real pain, literally. They can disrupt your day and make even simple tasks seem daunting. While medication is a common go-to solution, today we're exploring some effective natural remedies. Let's get started. First up, hydration. Dehydration can lead to headaches, so drinking enough water is crucial. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, but remember, your needs might vary depending on your activity level and environment. Herbal teas like ginger or peppermint can also be soothing and hydrating options. Next, let's talk about essential oils. Peppermint oil, in particular, is praised for its ability to relax the muscles and ease pain. Applying a small amount to your temples might just do the trick. Another great option is lavender oil, known for its stress-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. I'll show you how to make a simple headache relief oil blend at home later in the video, so keep watching. Adjusting your diet can also make a big difference. Magnesium-rich foods like spinach, bananas, and almonds are excellent for preventing headaches. Also, try to avoid headache triggers like alcohol, caffeine, and overly processed foods. Physical techniques can be surprisingly effective. Gentle yoga stretches that focus on neck and shoulder tension can help. Acupressure, where you apply pressure to specific points on your body, is another great technique. We have a tutorial on these methods that you can follow along with right here in our video. Lastly, consider your environment. A calm, clutter-free space with moderate lighting can prevent headaches. Also, ensure you're taking regular breaks from screens to reduce eye strain. As promised, let's make our own headache relief oil blend. You'll need 10 drops of peppermint oil, 10 drops of lavender oil, and a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba. Mix these in a roller bottle and apply it to your temples when you feel a headache coming on. I hope these natural remedies bring you relief and help you manage headaches more effectively. Remember, if your headaches persist, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Naturalhub.